trip. Oh, you know what I want to listen to? What? This song. This is the 21st of September.
Literally both looking out separate windows.
Bro, look how many berries we have.
Oh, it's going. Wow. That looks amazing.
It looks like we're literally driving into it.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. Sorry, this is gonna piss me off. And, okay, we're at stop number 1. And it was funny because I had to pee, but I didn't say anything because I was like, okay, I'll try to push it off. And then Courtney was like, hey Liv, like, I kind of gotta pee. I was like, bro, thank God you said something because I had to pee. Okay, sorry, this is actually gonna frustrate me. Why is this doing this? Do you know?
Dude, do you think I know anything about camera? Country jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do.
Like, guys, so it's right here. You're holding it.
This is mine? No, this is yours.
This is mine. Bro, we just had to stop again because we both had to pee because we're chugging water. And Courtney doesn't know that my car makes a weird sound when it locks.
Oh my gosh.
And like, she was like, what was that? But we're heading. We got about literally like 20 minutes left, so.
Something I don't know, like how many inches in a mile, politics can make you smile, watching that to treat me like a child, baby. Tell me something I don't know, something I don't know, something I don't know. Tell me something I don't know.
Scared.
Why?
Because there's other people. Oh, I feel ugly. Oh, we literally look. Hello. Courtney, wave. Hey. Good morning, guys. So we're going to breakfast and it's very chilly. It feels like a legit fall day, but for breakfast.
Ham, Swiss cheese, cinnamon, fresh toast, and eggs.
Bro, that's gonna be so good.
My baby. How you feel? How you feel?
Got a new best friend.
Boredom, best friend.
Got a new best friend.
Ready right now. She just showered and did her makeup. I'm laying in bed. Oh yeah, I lied. You're not doing your makeup. She showered. I'm still in my pajamas. She's getting post shower ready, you know.
I'm not getting ready until
It's 1:12 and I'm still in my pajamas, still in bed. Haven't washed my face. I'm just chilling. So we're doing our makeup right now and let's see. Say hey, ladies.
hello, ladies.
Hi. You know I'm gonna be zooming in on your face. Okay, see this? We're gonna literally fix this up. Woo! Okay, we are done with that. Finished that makeup.
Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some butter and took it down. You wanna ride in the six? You wanna down in the six?
Hi. Is it about to get lit?
It's about to get lit.
So we're going out to breakfast again. It's our last day, and then we're just gonna hit the road. And I feel like this vlog literally consisted of nothing, but but c'est la vie. Guys, so excuse me looking like disgusting, but we just got McDonald's, and the girl made this on accident. I was like, oh, I'm really sorry, I asked for a Frappuccino, and then Courtney got that drink. And then she was like, oh, it's fine, I'll make you another one. We literally have 3 coffees. Also, I think this is the end of my vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my other videos if you haven't already. And sorry, this was kind of uneventful, but